This is a tutorial for a handstand into Scorpio. So it's quite a safe move from the floor, but if you want to put like a little cushion down just for your landing, that might be a good thing to do just whilst you're learning, and just as a little extra precaution in case you roll over too quickly or something. So it starts with an inside leg hook. So I'm gonna just hook my leg on like this, so obviously you can stylize that, you can extend, make it really nice, and then you've got the length and the bend, and then from there I want to take a twisty grip with the inside hand. So if I just show you how to do that from this position, so if I think about facing my palm backwards before I go down, when I tip forward it lands in a twisty grip. Another way to think about it is that if your knuckles go towards the pole, you then roll onto your little finger and then grab the pole like that, okay? If you're unfamiliar with the twisty grip, just play around with that for a little bit, because there's no point in being all confused with your hands whilst you've got one leg on the pole and you're doing a toss over. So I'm ending in an inside leg hook. So this leg that is already on the pole doesn't go anywhere. It's the outside leg that's going to do all the work. So I'm hooking on like this. I think this position is probably best to show you. I'm hooking on there and taking this hand down. Remember that palm faces backwards. I grab onto the pole. I then take the bottom hand down to the floor, and I want to roll. So you can. The good thing about doing it from the floor is that you can actually like collapse into it a little bit, but you've just got to use your strength to lift this leg all the way over your head. So I'm going over, to drop, and you can take it right down if you want to. So you can make that as quick or as slow as you want to, and then you just grab your inside hand and you're going to lift through the chest, put your right hand on the floor, lift, and then that's the move. So you can do it fast, you can do it slow as I've just said, and there is an option to do it up the pole as well. So once you feel comfortable with this and you're alright with the thigh bend, go into the next one, which is going to be Scorpio from a Cupid. So enjoy.